How to delete files in Sora AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to delete your projects or any media that you've created in Sora AI, then you can do it super easy. First of all, open any web browser on your computer or your laptops, and then in the URL box type in sora.openai.com and search. Make sure to sign in using your OpenAI account's credentials, and you'll be inside the home page or the Explore page of Sora AI. Now from the home screen, go ahead and click on the My Media button under Library on the left-hand corner. You'll then come across your My Media library page where you need to find one of your projects or file you want to delete or get rid of. I'm just going to delete one of these images over here. Click on the trash can icon right above the photo or the generated file, and once you click on that, the selected image or file will be moved to your trash. Now go to trash on the left-hand corner and you'll be able to find all of the files or photos that you've deleted. If you've mistakenly deleted the files, you can always restore it back by clicking the three dots right above the file and clicking on Restore. You can also delete the file forever by clicking on the three dots and clicking Delete Forever and click Delete to delete the file right away. So that is how you can easily delete a file in Sora AI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.